My name is Christian James Martin. I graduate from STI College Caloocan with a degree in Accounting Information System. I started at STI with a major in accountancy, thinking I would pursue it to the end of my college. But then, one thing happened, but I didn't pass FYC when I was a first year accountancy student. So I took the course under the Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, which is the Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information System. During my 2 years as a BSAE student, I learned a lot and become one of the officers in the JPA organization. Additionally, I had a past job as a bookkeeper at the Right on Track firm. This also increased my knowledge of accounting and the software used in accounting. I learned about SAP S4HANA, QuickBooks, Melio, and so on. After my graduation, I'll take the board exam for Certified Management Accountant. I am here today because I believe in my experience in the accounting field over these past 4 years. It will benefit your organization. I am seeking the bookkeeper position because I am enthusiastic about beginning a career that aligns with my abilities and passion. I excel in organization and time management, possess a keen eye for detail, and have a strong sense of responsibility, all of which I believe will allow me to assist your company in ensuring that financial information is accurately entered, records are properly maintained, and deadlines are adhered to. I am looking for a job where I can apply my skills and deliver a meaningful results in a role that offers opportunity for a growth and teamwork. Simply, I just want to continue my journey in a stable company like this, where I can continue my learning and improve my skills. I want to gain more knowledge and experience in accounting, and I want to do every task that is given to me and make sure it is organized. I don't expect any rise in my company. What I want is to contribute and gain more learning from those people around me. My goal is to become efficient as an employee and capable in my role in the organization. One of my strengths is that I can manage my time and I am able to multitask. I make sure that before I do my job, I list it and I'll foresee what my manager needs. And after that, I can do the other job. I am also very consistent and focused, especially on those tasks that requires concentration for long periods of time. Another strength is that I am a hardworking employee and I want to gain knowledge and experience in my company. I want to contribute my skills to my company and do my job excellently. For my weaknesses, I doubted myself sometimes if I was doing my job correctly, and I was making mistakes in my actions. But I am learning to trust myself and trust my process more, and focusing on moving forward. Absolutely. In college, especially with group projects, you encounter various work styles. I was on a team recently where two members had completely different ideas on how to structure a presentation, and the friction was slowing us down. The situation was really a communication clash. My action was to step in and suggest we pause the argument, lay out both methods, and then try to understand each of them on a small section of the project. This allowed everyone to feel heard, and we ultimately blended the best part of both ideas to achieve a much stronger result than either person would have created alone. I learned that focusing on the shared goal is the best way to move past personal friction. I would not call it unfair, but I definitely had a moment where I misunderstood the expectation. Last semester, I turned in a research paper that my professor criticized for lacking strong, specific thesis. I was focused on covering a broad range of information, so I was initially frustrated. However, I realized my mistake wasn't in the research, but in the framing. I took a step back to figure out why the critique happened, revised the paper to have a much narrower, more controversial argument, and it completely changed the quality of the work. I showed the professor that I recognize the issue and learn how crucial it is to get clarity on the goal before diving in the details. I have a few interests outside of school. I play basketball and would say that I've really developed my ability to communicate under pressure and make quick decisions, which I think translate well to any fast-paced work environment. I also like to learn new things online right now. I am teaching myself skills like basic video editing and photography through online courses. I find that it keeps my mind sharp and helps me stay flexible for new challenges. That's a good question. I'm primarily focused on finding the right opportunity and getting a role where I can truly grow. As that, my main concern right now. I am confident that the company has an established range for this position, especially for someone coming from a college background. Absolutely. I don't just work under pressure. I find that it actually helps me focus and prioritize. For example, in my last role, a key deliverable for a major client was moved up by 2 weeks due to an unexpected client demand. This meant we had to compress a 4 week workflow into two. I immediately put together a detailed plan, delegated tasks based on team members' strengths, and set up daily 15 minutes standoff to track progress. By clearly defining roles and monitoring milestones, we delivered the high quality project on the revised deadline. It was intense, but we hit our goal. I believe I have a unique combination of skills that makes me an excellent fit. First, my academic background in accounting has given me strong technical skills in using accounting software. Second, I am highly motivated and flexible person who genuinely enjoys learning new things. Unlike some other candidates, I'm not just looking for a job. I'm looking for a chance to prove my value, and I'm ready to dedicate myself to becoming a productive asset to your team immediately. I only had four questions. First, what skills or qualities do the most effective people in this department typically have? Second, what do you hope the person you hire will accomplish in the first 6 months? Third, how would you describe the work culture here? And how does the team typically collaborate? And last, what is the next step in the hiring process? And what is the expected recruitment timeline? Thank you.